Ever been driving, chatting on the phone, not texting, just holding your device and think, that's okay? Well, not anymore. A brand new hands-free law is in effect, and there's going to be stronger enforcement starting next month. It could cost you.
Yeah, and before we get into the details of the law, we want to know, are you ever guilty of texting and driving? Like maybe at an intersection? Scan the QR code below and let us know. We want to see what the results will be here. And while you're answering, we're going to bring in Doug Olcott from Edgar Snyder and Associates here to update us on where Pennsylvania's new cell phone driving law stands now. Doug, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. I really appreciate it.
And coming up on June 5th, this takes the next step. Like that's when they can start actually fining you, right?
Correct. 18 days from now on June 5th, the law had a kind of a period of which they gave warnings. That is now expiring beginning on June 5th. Police officers will be able to pull over anybody they see using a handheld device and issue a $50 fine to them on the spot. It's a summary offense.
So it's not that they pull you over for something else and then see this. They can pull you over if you
for that
see
alone.
you for
Correct.
that alone.
Yeah, they don't need an underlying cause for probable cause and then give you a ticket. More like that's how things used to be with the seatbelt laws. Now, if they see somebody on a handheld device for any number of reasons, talking, trying to pull up directions, looking at something, they can pull you over and give you a $50 fine on the spot for that.
And I am in this category. I already thought it was in effect, and it kind of was. This is just the stronger enforcement side of it.
So, yeah, the way the existing law, Section 3316, previously provided that you could not text, so you couldn't read, you couldn't send. This new law expands that a little bit. Now it's not just texting, it's any use of it. So if you pick up your phone to try and use your GPS, if you pick up your phone to do anything, you are going to get a $50 fine if you're caught by a police officer. So it's expanded it from beyond texting. It's any use of that cell phone.
And this is even at a red light.
Correct. That's the other thing that's different from the existing law. The new law, which is 3316.1, even if you're stopped at a stop sign, even if you're stopped at a light, if you're stopped in traffic, you cannot be on your phone. The older law seemingly indicated, well, if you're stopped temporarily, you could do it. No longer under this new law, Paul Miller's law.
So is the key that you're not holding the phone? Like, for instance, if your phone is mounted on your dashboard and you're using it for GPS, is that okay or is that not okay?
I believe once you begin driving, you are not allowed to touch the phone. So if you need to set directions or something like that, coordinates so that you could use it for a GPS, you can still use your hands-free portion of it if you need to make a phone call, but you can't be interacting with the device while you're operating a vehicle, essentially while the vehicle's running.
And bottom line, it is distracting. And so as far as penalties go, you mentioned the fine that you could get, but there's even a harsher penalty if you were in a severe accident, for instance, while using it.
Well, what's nice about the Paul Miller law is that it builds on a prior law. There was a prior law, Daniel's Law, which was also unfortunately enacted because of somebody passing away as a result of being struck by a distracted driver. That law changed the criminal penalty so that if you were involved in a vehicular homicide case and you were distracted driving at that time, it increased the potential penalty to up to 5 years in prison for that. So the new law adopts that standard as well. And what people don't realize is that, we all, I think a lot of us are probably guilty. We think, oh, it's only a momentary glance. But what people don't realize is that statistics have shown that in 5 seconds, if you're driving 55 miles an hour, you've covered Heinz Field or Acrisure Stadium.
Right, in that span of 1
In that span, and 5 seconds is not a lot.
And that's a lot to not be looking at the road.
Correct.
I mean,
correct.
So, and before we let you go, this is named after someone, and talk to us about what is the story behind it.
Yes. Paul Miller was a young man. He was 21 years old. Back in 2010, a commercial truck driver was distracted, looked down to grab his phone. In the course of doing that, he crossed a median and struck Mr. Miller head on, killing him. Wow. So his mom, Eileen, has been an advocate, the family. It's been a long haul, but thankfully we finally got to the finish line, and now we have a law with hopefully some teeth in it to make people a little bit more responsible and think about the consequences.
Right.
Well, thank you for walking us through everything. It's such an important thing to be aware of, and we appreciate it.
Well, thank you very much for having me.
Thanks, Doug.
All right, so we want to take a look. We want to go back to our viewer question. And, like you said, most people probably at some point or another have been guilty of taking a look down at their phone, and we could see 78% have admitted to doing it. I mean, I know being at a red light, you might look down, you might change the address if you're going.
And now you need to think twice about that.
Absolutely.
For sure.
We want to thank Edgar Snyder and Associates for providing some legal ease and sponsoring our monthly straight to the point conversation.
Yeah, and if you want to learn more about Paul Miller's law, just head to our website. We have more info for you right there. Up next, is cash still king? Are thank you notes still mandatory? Can you just RSVP by using a thumbs up emoji? We're diving into the ever-changing world of graduation etiquette. That is when PTL comes right back.